Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alie. I have some mail. I believe this is from Aliexpress. Let me just double check. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna open it up real quick in a hurry and see. It is my Aliexpress. I got the bales, the clear plastic bales, so that we could turn things into charms, which I was waiting on forever. I ordered this in August, and then this is the second order from AliExpress. Actually, I ordered all of this together back in August, the beginning of August, and I'm just now receiving my order. So I'm so excited because I totally forgot what the heck I ordered too. So we shall see. All I have to say is it's come well wrapped. So this one, let me show you guys so you know. Anna, who is Serenity Creations here on YouTube, had shared. I don't believe this is the same size because it seems to me that this is a lot smaller. These are clear bales, and then you take your E6000 and put it on the bale. And then you put the charm on there, and then it gives you a hanging loop, so you could thread it through, or put a jump ring through it. You know, when you have those flat back charms and they don't have any holes to hang your charm through, that is what the bale is for. It's to make something, turn something into a charm that's not necessarily a charm. So thank you, Anna, for sharing that with me, or with everyone, because now we're all charm crazy. And then here we go. I'm so excited. And this one says, for you, for you, for you, for you. I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't remember what shop this is from. I don't have an invoice. So here are those gorgeous candy charms, or beads, I should say. So the hole is in the top, right up there, and this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for these. Look at the purple. Okay, they're not exactly perfect, but yeah, you just take your finger and get that piece off, or you could use some scissors actually, just to nip it off of there, so you don't have that extra plastic. So that's what it looks like. And I think this is 50, I think I ordered 50 pieces. I'm not sure. I'm not about to count it. And then here are my lollipops. Lollipops. Oh my gosh. And here you go. See, this is what I'm talking about. So they're flat back and they don't have any hanger mechanism. So you take this and you E6000 that bale to the back of your charm, and then you have a hanging loop right there. So your thing is now a hanging dangly charm. And look at the colors that come in. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That reminds me of Hello Kitty for some reason. The red and the yellow, I guess. I don't know. But these are beautiful. Christmas, Halloween, I don't know, Easter, I mean, any holiday, who knows? I just hope I have enough bales. But there you go. And it comes with this cute little baggie. So this is all the same vendor. And look, I got a gift. A little charm bracelet. Aw, so cute. I will not be wearing that, but yes, I do appreciate it. So pretty. And then I ordered these. I gotta open this up because I think these were like $2–3. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Like I said, I don't order. This is my very first order from AliExpress, and everybody said it's taken a long time. And I just wanted to see exactly how long. So now I know. I do not have enough patience. Oh, I know what I did. I ordered the multicolor of hearts and the multicolor of stars. Look at this for Halloween, guys. Oh, it's so cute. It's so, so cute. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. love, love it. Oh my gosh. These we probably could just put a hole in there, punch a hole, and put a not a jump ring. Oh, an eyelet. Add an eyelet through it. Yep, put that eyelet right through there. So here is the last order, and it's more of the candy shaped stuff, but this has a Mickey. And oh girl, let me just pour this sucker out. There it is. I'm so excited. I can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Oh my God. I know you guys are probably barfing over there, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm that excited. So the different candy here is it has that clear the clear dome with the glitter in it, and then it has the color backing. And the other one is opaque. You can't see through it. So, and it doesn't have glitter. And then I ordered the multicolor of the mini heads and the multicolor of the little candy shapes. So these are all of one. It's the same purchase option, but you know how they have like different, you can order it by all yellow or all blue or whatever, all colors, and all minis, or all candies in all different colors. Or you can get the multi-pack, which I did. I did the multi-pack of the mini heads and then the multi-pack of the candies. Uh-oh, one of my minis is busted. Oh, now I'm gonna kill myself because I'm like, I want to find her. I want to find my injured mini. Not that color, not that color. Where are you? Oh, Minnie. Oh, here it is. Oh, but that's okay. I'll keep this for me. I'll crazy glue that. But if that's the only damaged piece out of my whole order, I have nothing to complain about, because there's always going to be something with an order. You know what I mean? So, oh, except that, I don't know. I still like it though. You guys, I don't have any links for these. I just went on Alie's, my very first purchase, and I started scrolling. I typed, the first thing I typed were Disney and then beads. So these all came up, and majority of them are from the same vendor. So yeah, that's it. I don't have any links. I'm sorry guys, but check it out. Go into Alie and, you know, see if you're willing to purchase it, because I know I was, and I don't know if I'll be willing again. But that's it, guys. Let me get off of here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.